I have my gel. The next thing is to brush your brows with the gel using your spoolie, like so. After brushing my brows, I'm gonna go in with my pencil. You have to use a sharpened pencil. So the first thing you have to do is to draw a thin straight line. Look at the way I'm drawing it, a thin straight line, a faint line like that. Then the next thing is to go in with light strokes. Going with light strokes. Look at the way I'm doing it. Strokes like feathers. Going with the light strokes like that. You don't have to like draw it all over, just stroke it like so. I am going to do my second brows like that. A thin line first, then light strokes next. The strokes is going to be like your hair. It's like I'm just stroking the places where there are no hair on my brows, and I am not forcing the pencil on my hair. I'm just stroking it lightly. I'm not drawing it, I'm just stroking it very, very lightly. I am just filling in the places where I feel I should put more, and I'm also doing it lightly. I will start off by applying my concealer to conceal my brows. Look at the way I'm applying it. I did not start from the beginning. I started from the middle. Yeah, let me say I left like a quarter part of my brows. Yeah, so I concealed the remaining parts like so. What you want to do next is to take the foundation you used for your skin, use it at the beginning of the brows. The beginning I left out, I used the foundation of my skin tone to conceal the beginning because you don't want any sharp lines on your brows. You don't want any sharp line. I used it to conceal the top of my brows also. Look at it. Yeah, I'm blending it out. So apply that foundation at the end of the brows because you don't want any sharp lines and at the end of the brows also. Yes. So I went back in with my contour shade so as to define the contour. Now look at what we have at the end of the day. Yeah. For watching. Please like, subscribe, share, and turn on the notification bell, and also comment. See you next time. Bye.